When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal and functionality of your home, few upgrades can match the transformative effect of custom doors. For residents of Auburn Hills, Michigan, custom doors offer a unique blend of style, security, and long-term value. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, opting for custom doors can be a game-changer in achieving your dream living space. Here's why custom doors are a great choice for Auburn Hills residents. Tailored to your unique style. One of the most significant advantages of custom doors is their ability to be tailored specifically to your tastes and preferences. Auburn Hills is home to a variety of architectural styles, from modern and contemporary designs to traditional and rustic aesthetics. Custom doors allow homeowners to choose everything from the material to the color, hardware, and design elements that best reflect their personal style. Whether you prefer the elegance of French doors, the timeless appeal of wooden designs, or the sleek look of glass, a custom door can be crafted to match the exact vision you have for your home. Unlike mass-produced doors, custom options give you full control over the details, ensuring that your door complements the overall style of your home seamlessly. Enhance curb appeal. The front door of a home is one of the first things people notice, and it can leave a lasting impression on visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. A custom door offers a level of sophistication and uniqueness that stands out from the standard, cookie-cutter doors seen in most neighborhoods. In Auburn Hills, where homes often reflect a blend of urban and suburban charm, a custom door can become a defining feature of your property, increasing both its aesthetic appeal and market value. With custom options, you can create a front door that becomes a focal point of your home's exterior. Whether you're looking for a bold statement piece or something more understated, custom doors are designed to make your home shine. Superior quality and durability. Custom doors are often made from high-quality materials that are built to last. Auburn Hills residents know that Michigan's climate can vary greatly, from hot summers to frigid winters, and the durability of your door is essential. Custom doors are typically constructed using premium materials such as solid wood, fiberglass, or steel, ensuring that they can withstand the wear and tear of the local weather. Mass-produced doors often compromise on quality, leading to issues like warping, drafts, and wear over time. Custom doors, however, are designed to provide better insulation and greater energy efficiency. This means you can enjoy a comfortable home year-round without worrying about the high energy bills that can result from air leaks around poorly made doors. Increased security and privacy. For many Auburn Hills homeowners, security is a top priority, and custom doors can provide enhanced protection for your home. Custom doors can be equipped with the latest security features, such as reinforced frames, high-quality locks, and impact-resistant glass. With a custom door, you have the option to choose the level of security you need, giving you peace of mind knowing that your home is well protected. In addition to security, privacy is another key consideration. Custom doors allow you to select the appropriate materials or finishes that help maintain your privacy while still allowing for natural light. For example, Frosted glass or decorative inserts can provide a beautiful yet private solution for your entryway. Sustainable and energy efficient. As more residents of Auburn Hills become conscious of their environmental footprint, custom doors can offer sustainable solutions. Many custom door manufacturers use eco-friendly materials and practices, allowing homeowners to reduce their carbon footprint while still getting a high-quality product. Moreover, custom doors often come with energy-efficient features that help reduce heating and cooling costs, a huge benefit given Michigan's seasonal temperature extremes. By choosing custom doors with proper insulation, Auburn Hills residents can ensure that their home remains energy efficient and comfortable all year long. Over time, the energy savings can offset the initial investment in a custom door, making it a wise financial decision. Long-term investment. While custom doors may require a higher initial investment than standard doors, they provide long-term value that can be well worth the cost. The durability, energy efficiency, and personalized style that custom doors offer can significantly increase the overall value of your home. Additionally, their quality construction means you won't need to worry about replacing your doors for many years. If you're considering selling your home in the future, a custom door can boost curb appeal and attract potential buyers who appreciate the attention to detail and quality. It's a home improvement that not only enhances your living experience but also increases your property's resale value. Conclusion. For Auburn Hills residents, custom doors offer a combination of style, quality, and functionality that mass-produced doors simply cannot match. Whether you're looking to improve your home's curb appeal, enhance security, or make your home more energy efficient, custom doors are a fantastic choice. Investing in a custom door is a decision that pays off in both the short and long term, making it a valuable addition to any Auburn Hills home.